is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. During dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. The National Weather Service in Brownsville conducts tests of these receivers every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of or severe weather is in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning variation, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though your receiver is in good working order. This concludes this test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Device.